Fork touchscreen Carplay multimedia dashcam. This is a Carplay large screen recorder. It can turn on quickly in 3 seconds. The main interface design is simple and atmospheric. Super HD picture quality on the road ahead. Back road wide-angle HD recording. Slide in and playback on the right. Swipe left to record back and forth. Click here on the interface to set it up. Dynamic water drop effect interaction will appear when clicking. Carplay only needs to connect to Bluetooth. Voice control can play music. Voice control navigation map to anywhere. This smart screen supports wireless and wired connection. It also supports Android Auto connection, aux audio connection,